Okay, everybody, how are you? It's day 20 and it is Mug Warmers is the daily Red Heart Patterns as our series continues. So yesterday I took you on a very long journey of plushies. We had several pins. I want to say there were 9 of them. But today is going to be a shorter day. We just have 2 pins, but I thought they were too cute not to share. So I'm just going to open up the Snowman Mug Hug, which is really a cute name. This is using Red Heart Super Saver yarn, and I'm just going to open it up so we can take a closer look. Cozy up with a hot cocoa or other warm beverage. This mood-lifting crocheted mug cozy is a great gift idea. Made with easy care yarn, it can be washed and still look great for a long time. So it does say that this is an easy level crochet pattern, and I think it's really adorable. So this might be a good fun gift for beginners to make for other people. Let's move on to our next pattern. The next and last pattern is called the Free Mustache Mug Hug, and this is another crochet pattern using Red Heart Super Saver. It actually looks very similar to the other one. Let's take a closer look. Let's open it up. I also like to open these up just so that you can see how easy it is to click and download these free patterns. All you need to do is go to my Pinterest board, which is linked below, and find the picture that you like and click on it. And I'll then download the pattern. It's all free too, so that's really nice. Okay, so mustache lovers will love this clever cozy to keep a cup of coffee or other drink warm. So that just makes me laugh. I think it's really, really cute. I love it a lot. So, of these two, which one is your favorite? That is my question to you. All right, everybody, that was a short one, but I will see you again tomorrow for day 21 of the 28 Days of Red Heart series. Have a good one.